I'm going to talk about some point, line, and plane postulates. Remember that a postulate is accepted to be true without any kind of proof. And there are several here. We've got the 2-point postulate, and that simply states that through any 2 points, there is exactly one line. So if you've got 2 points, you can draw a line between it. And then the line-point postulate goes along with the same thought. It's if you have a line, then there is at least 2 points in it. So here's a line with 2 points. Then you have the line intersection postulate. I mentioned this back in chapter 1. If 2 lines intersect, then their intersection is exactly 1 point. So I've got line N and line M intersecting at point C. Then there's the 3-point postulate, and if you have any 3 non-collinear points, they're not in a line, then there is exactly one plane. This plane R has non-collinear points E, D, and F. And then along the same lines, if you have a plane, then you have at least 3 non-collinear points. Then we have the plane line postulate. If there's 2 points that lie in a plane, then the line containing them lies in the plane. So D and E line in plane F, then line ED lies in plane F. And then you have the plane intersection postulate. I also mentioned this in chapter 1. If 2 planes intersect, then their intersection is a line. Now, if you'll look at our problems that come from this, it asks you, well, which postulate do you have shown right here? So I have a line, and then here the same thing. The only thing that is different is there's a point. Notice that the point is here. So I've got 2 lines intersecting, and then here I have that point. So if they ask you, well, what is the name of this postulate? Then you're going to say it is the line intersection postulate. So line intersection postulate, line intersection postulate, and I'm going to abbreviate postulate like that. And then here I've got a plane and another plane that looks like they're intersecting. And if you look right here, the only difference is that there's a line here. So that was the plane intersection postulate, which just said if 2 planes intersect, then their intersection is a line. So plane intersection postulate.